To fix this problem, go to your notification bar and tap on the settings button which is close to your profile. So just tap on it like this and you're going to be in the settings. When it gets over here, just tap on apps and notifications. When you tap on apps and notification, tap on see your apps. After that, what you have to do is to scroll a little bit and you are going to find your Snapchat. So when you can't find your Snapchat, what you have to do is to just tap on the search bar at the top over here and try to search for Snapchat. So tap on the Snapchat when you find it, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back, then you tap on advanced. After tapping on advanced, scroll a little bit and tap on app details, then update the app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So tap on your power button for some while and you are going to see this pop up. Now tap on restart, then tap on OK, and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video.